Hi, Teddy Mama here. Well, this is for my cooking show, and I ordered something from Temu. I don't want to show the address, and it's a cast iron pot. This is my first unboxing ever, and this video is actually for my cooking show that I'm going to start doing, possibly sometime at the end of this month. Today is August. Ooh, I think it's August the 20th. Or the 21st, but anyway, I'm getting ready to start doing a cooking channel, and I will be cooking different recipes from other creators and some of my own. But yes, I ordered this from Temu, and it's a cast iron pot. I'm trying not to show my address. Like, share, subscribe. I hope I can get it out. Like, share, subscribe, engage, comment. But let me show you guys. This is from Temu, and it's cast iron. This is how it looks. I'm going to take it out and show you how it looks. I love cooking with cast iron. I'm actually from the Carolina area. I'm not going to say which Carolina. I'm actually from the Carolina area. Let's see, can I get it out? Okay. Here we go. And it's a two-piece cast iron. One, I think the top can be used as a frying pan. I know you can't see it. This is how it looks. This is the top. It can be used as a frying pan. And this is the bottom. Cooking some bread and some stews and a lot of soup this winter. The most high say so, but anyway, show you how it looks. I love cast iron. I love cast iron pots and pans. And that's my first unboxing from Temu. This is from Temu. And it's a combo cooker, Dutch oven and frying pan. So there it is. It's by Vivic Heat. Okay. Here, I'll show you, because I might be pronouncing it wrong. This company, in case you want to order it for yourself. But yes, this is my first unboxing for my cooking channel, which might start, hopefully this month, at the end of the month, or 1st of September. Alright guys, have a good day. Isn't it cute?